Hello, this is Oliver from Anyhoa. In this in this video, I want to talk a little bit about and show you how you can use the website to describe your association to potential buyers or interested viewers of the association. So for this specific feature, I would recommend going to the website module where you can create web pages and landing pages for your website. So you could always create a new page for a specific purpose, like documents, contractor list, and so on. But for the description of the association, I would actually recommend going to the front page and then editing and making sure your content there shows viewers or gives viewers a feeling of what the association is all about. So that's what I've been doing here. I've been giving it a headline and then creating some content around it. Now that should be specific for your association. So there's multiple ways this can actually look and what should be highlighted in such a description. And if you click the link up here, you can actually see how it's going to look on your website. I'm not saying mine is the best looking website, but here in this box is the association description where I've given visitors and potential buyers a fair chance of knowing what is this association about. And that's a good way to kind of align expectations with potential buyers before saying hi to new neighbors that wants to buy any kind of property in a association. So yeah, that's inside the website module for the front page, and that's how it's done.